Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel on this lovely Saturday, sunny day in the UK. Now, by popular demand, I have been requested to make this video talking about engagement on Instagram. What are the best practices? What sort of methods do I follow to ensure that I get good engagement on my theme pages? And as well, if you're growing a personal brand, how to ensure that you're going to get good engagement on all of your posts. For those of you that don't know, engagement is such an important factor when it comes to growing an Instagram page, because it is the driving force for the Instagram algorithm to understand, what's working and what people are liking on their platform. So if there's a post that has like no likes and no comments, it doesn't really get any click through when it's on the explore page, if it even hits the explore page. Instagram is going to see that post as a pretty shitty post. It's not going to push it out to more people. It's not going to start recommending it and pushing it higher up the rankings when it comes to the explore page. If, on the other hand, that post has lots of likes, lots of comments, people actively engaging and, speaking about the post in particular in the comments and sharing it and sending it to friends, saving it to their profile, then you're going to see Instagram push your content much higher, therefore giving you much more exposure and growing your page quicker, right? So simple as that. But obviously that's only half of it. So the main thing I want to be talking about today is how you can ensure that the posts you are posting are the best ones for your page, what to look for when looking for new posts to be posting, good practices in terms of your caption and getting the audience to actually engage in the post that you are posting. There's a lot of posting words going on there, but I'm sure you'll keep up, okay? We'll go slow. With my theme pages, I would always prefer to post less often, but with a much better piece of content that I know is going to do well. So I actually want to show you a piece of content that I've got on my Instagram page at the moment, and I kind of want to use it as a sort of benchmark or a case study, if you like, to kind of explain the reason why I think it went viral, why I think it did so well, and how you can essentially do the same. So this is the post right here. So pretty simple, nothing crazy going on, a little turtle climbing a wall. But that post actually did 3.6 million views and over 445,000 likes. Now, for me, I've been in the Instagram game for a long time now, but that's an absurd amount of numbers. That's a crazy level of engagement. Now, obviously that was a reel. Those of you that don't know already, if you're posting reels on your pages, you're way more likely to get a lot more engagement on them. Just because Instagram is pushing them at the moment to try to compete with the big dog TikTok. So make sure you're posting reels if you're not already. That's going to help your engagement straight from the get-go. That should be the #1 thing you're looking at. Diving into this video, this turtle, it's not a beautifully created piece of content. It's not like it was set up professionally and they spent hours and hours trying to figure out, how can we make this clip go viral? How can we film this turtle climbing this wall and make it blow up and go viral everywhere online? That's not the case. So the way it actually worked, and this is kind of my strategy in terms of how I look at it, if you look at TikTok, a lot of people blow up on TikTok with the most basic ideas, right? It's very, very personal. There's not really any sort of quality that have gone into the videos. It's kind of the rubbish ones and like the meme-esque sort of things that are funny and that end up blowing up and going viral. So that's the same thing that happens with Instagram. This video right here, it isn't beautifully created. It isn't shot in a photo studio and there's hundreds of pound budget behind it, right? That's just not the case. Instead, it's kind of this really quick ad hoc video. Someone's whipped their phone out and they're filming this turtle. So it's a really, really organic and sort of a raw piece of content, right? So that is what does the best on social media. So let's have a look at a post that isn't so raw and is a little bit more created, and let's see how that one compared to this one. Okay, so we've got this video here. Now, this video has been slow mode, they've made it look all dramatic and they've made it look very cinematic. And you'll see that this one only got 63,000 views, posted on the same page, and it just didn't do as well. So let's have a look. They put a little bit more calming music behind it. It's very cinematic, and it just didn't do as well. I think they got like 2,500 likes. 3,700 likes. So still not bad, but we could definitely be improving. And if we can find content that is less created and a little bit more personal, and it was like, someone whipped out their iPhone and shot that piece of content, that's always going to do better on Instagram. So I'm going to find another example for you. Okay, so this is another post that I posted. It's filmed from an iPhone. There's no crazy ad budget behind it, but it looks interesting to watch. And again, it went viral for the same reason as the turtle post. The fact that it's just very, very personal and relatable, right? So it hasn't got this huge budget behind it. Let's have a look. As you can see, that one got 900k views and something like 41,000 likes. So you can see sort of where I'm going with this, right? You need to be choosing content that isn't necessarily, you know, like fancy stuff going on in slow-mo. Choose content that's real, choose content that's raw, and stuff that people are going to engage in because they can almost relate to it, right? It looks like the content's happened at a random time and someone's just whipped out their phone and filmed it. It does really well on TikTok and it does really well on Instagram. That leads me to my second point in terms of how to ensure you can get engagement on that post once it does go viral. Now, I've spoken about this so many times before, and it may seem very, very simple, but the best thing you can be doing in your captions is asking people questions. So you'll see in this turtle video that I posted, the question that I asked everyone was, have you ever seen a turtle scale a wall like this? Now, no one's ever seen a turtle scale a wall like this, obviously, but it leads the viewer of the content to then go into the comment and leave a comment. It's that simple. So that is going to be driving comments onto your post, which Instagram is going to see as good engagement and start pushing you further up the explore page. So it's kind of like this evergreen cycle where the more viral your video gets, the more Instagram wants to promote it, right? So that's how it goes viral and that's how it absolutely blows up. And that is going to blow your pages up in terms of followers. And like you can see here, a good example, someone commented there saying, in truth, I've never seen a turtle scale a wall like this. There's people commenting in this comment section. Feel free to go onto my page, check out the post, and you can see for yourself. And you'll see that people are engaging in that post based on the question I asked them in the caption. If you can follow these two really, really simple things, and you can find content that doesn't look so professional, but it's proven to have gone viral before, doesn't look crazy professional, there isn't all these, you know, fancy budgets behind it, it's just filmed on an iPhone, they will be your best performing posts, I can guarantee you. But feel free to prove me wrong. If you don't think I'm right in what I'm saying, leave a comment and let me know.
Oh, okay, I see what you did there.
But in my case, this is what has worked for me. And you know, the caption, just asking questions, almost asking for more engagement on your post is the best way to do it. I hope this video helped. I know a couple of you guys messaged me and a few of you left comments on my recent community post on YouTube asking for this specific video. So I know it's a pain when, you know, you've got your theme page up and running or your Instagram personal brand and you're posting and you're posting and you're posting, but nothing's getting engagement. You're not growing. You're putting in all of these hours and all of this work, and that you're just getting nothing from it. You know, people aren't engaging in your posts as much as you would like. But if you follow these two simple steps, this will really help you. And if it has helped you, leave a comment on this video. I'd love to hear more, and message me on Instagram, and I'll be sure to help you out with any other questions that you have. But if you like this type of video, guys, leave a like on this video and hit that subscribe. We are growing quickly on this YouTube channel, and I'm really, really happy about that. And I appreciate every single one of you. Hopefully I can help you all in some sort of way whilst being subscribed to me, and if I can, that would be great. But look, I'll see you in the next video, and yeah, let me know if you want to see anything in particular. Leave a comment in this video. See, I'm playing my own engagement game there. There you go. You got to ask for it. If you want it, ask for it. Do it. Bye. See you in the next video.